Hello everyone. Let's solve a quadratic equation by completing the square. We have this quadratic equation x squared minus 6x minus 16 equal to 0. Now this equation is a perfect square if minus 16 is the square of half of coefficient of minus 6x. Now let's see. We have minus 6x and the coefficient of minus 6x is minus 6 and half of minus 6 is minus 3 and the square of minus 3 is 9 and it is not 16. So this equation is not a perfect square. So first of all, we will eliminate this minus 16, x squared minus 6x. We will eliminate minus 16 by adding it on both sides of equality. Minus 16 plus 16 equal to 0 plus 16. And we are left with x squared minus 6x equal to 16. Now, we want to make x squared minus 6x a perfect square. So we will add the square of half of coefficient of the second term, which is minus 6x. The second term is minus 6x and the coefficient is minus 6. Half of minus 6 is minus 3 and the square of minus 3 is minus 3 whole square. So we are going to add minus 3 whole square on both sides. Minus 6x plus minus 3 whole square equal to 16 plus minus 3 whole square. Now, in order to solve this side of the equation, in order to solve x squared minus 6x plus minus 3 whole square, we will use a formula which is a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to a plus b whole square. Now let's write this expression, which is x squared minus 6x plus minus 3 whole square. Let's convert this expression in this form. So look at this expression. The first term is a square. So here the first term is also a square, x squared. Then we have plus, we write plus. Then we have 2, we write 2. Then we have the first term. In this expression, the first term is x. So we write x. Then we have third term. In this expression, third term is minus 3. So we write minus 3. Then we write plus, and then we write third term square. Here the third term is minus 3 square. So we write minus 3 square. So we have converted this expression in this form. Now we see that this expression equals a plus b whole square. Similarly, when we look at this expression, we can write it equal to first term. Here the first term is x, then plus, then the third term. Here the third term is minus 3 whole square, and it is equal to x plus multiplied by minus is minus 3 whole square. So we can write this expression equal to x minus 3 whole square, and this side is equal to 16. Square of minus 3 is 9. So we will have x minus 3 whole square equal to 16 plus 9 is 25. Now, in order to find the value of x, first of all, we will eliminate the square by taking square root of both sides of equality. So taking the square root, square root and square root cancels, and we are left with x minus 3 equal to square root of 25 is plus minus 5. So we have two values, plus 5 and minus 5. Now, either x minus 3 equals plus 5 or x minus 3 equals minus 5. Now, first of all, we will eliminate this negative 3 in both equations, from both equations. So we will add plus 3 on both sides, 5 plus 3. Similarly, in this equation as well, we will add plus 3 on both sides. X minus 3 plus 3 equals minus 5 plus 3. Minus 3 and plus 3 cancels. Minus 3 and plus 3 cancels. And we are left with x equals 5 plus 3 is 8, or x equals minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. These are the two values of x. Thank you for watching.